Welcome back. I feel happy to welcome you all again to my channel Enrich My English. The topic we're gonna see is the correct way to pronounce. That is, we do mispronounce some words. So I've chosen few words and let's see how to pronounce it correctly. A suite is a luxury room in a restaurant. It has a large living space carried with all the facilities. Suite has been mispronounced as suite. So the right way of pronunciation is suite and not suit. I repeat, it is suite and it's not suit. The second word is pizza. It is not pizza or pizza, it is pizza. The most yummy Italian baked food with the toppings of cheese, tomatoes and onions. It's always been mispronounced as pizza or pizza. It's not like that. The right way of pronunciation is pizza. The third word is entrepreneur, the person who runs his own business. So always it has been mispronounced as entrepreneur. It is not entrepreneur. The right way of pronunciation is entrepreneur. I repeat, entrepreneur. Resume or the curriculum vitae, which summarizes the candidate's personal data, qualification, experiences and achievements to seek for a job. It is a document submitted by the applicant for seeking a new job. It's been always mispronounced as resume. So when you say it as resume, it has another meaning, that is to stop. So the right way of pronunciation is resume and not resume. Tour. We all love going to tour during our vacation. Remember, it is not tour. It is tour. I repeat, tour. So the right way of pronunciation is tour. Coupon. Coupon is a voucher which offers discounts for some products. It may be food, clothes or some materials. So remember, it is not coupon and it is coupon. I repeat, it is coupon. The next word is bowl. It is not bowl. I repeat, it is bowl. Bowl is a container which is used to serve food. Usually we have soup in the bowl and then have it. So the right way of pronunciation is bowl and not bowl. The eighth word is asthma. It is not asthma, asthma. Asthma is a respiratory disease that causes difficulty in breathing. So the right way of pronunciation is asthma and not asthma. The next word is engineers. It is not engineer, engineers. Engineers are the professionals who invent, design, analyze to build the materials based on the requirements of the systems. There are different types of engineers of different streams. Maybe civil, computer engineer, mechanical engineers, etc. So the right way of pronunciation is engineer and not engineer. I repeat, engineer. Poem is expressions of writing. It kindles our emotions and expresses our feeling in the format of words. So it is poem and not poem. Shakespeare was an English poet and a great writer in early 17th century. Some of his famous poems are The Phoenix and the Turtle, Venus and Adonis. So it is poem and not poem. Guys, I would like to summarize the words which you have seen. Suite, pizza, entrepreneur, resume, tour, coupon, bowl, asthma, engineer and poem. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel my video is good and informative, please do like and subscribe it. Now I'm signing out. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.